Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn some remaining data table activity that we missed in previous video, like filter data table, merge data table, join data table, sort data table, and etc. Let's go to the Uipath studio and see each activities one by one. So you can see the screen. Here I am created one program using data table, which we discussed. So firstly, I take input from the data Excel. So I'm using here Excel activity, that is a read range, and I'm take two data table from Excel sheet. One is a input DT and another is a input DT2. So both are the different sheet taken from the different sheet 1 and sheet 2. So in the Excel automation video, we will learn the Excel activities. So we move to the next activity, data table activities here. So data table activity is a sort data table activity. In this activity, we are sort data in the data table according to your order. If you want to sort data in the ascending order, you can sort in the ascending. If you want to sort in the descending, you can sort in the descending order. So here I'm providing the order here. You can go to the property section and see in the order, and also need here the input data table and the output data table. So I provided here, and also need a one column name. So we according to your which column you want to sort. Like if you want to sort data according to your date, serial number, or any number, so you provide that column name here. And if you want to provide the index of that column, so you can also provide that. So I'm providing here the index of the column. So index of the column is a 1. So if you want to provide that column name, so you can provide the in the above field. So this is the sort data table. I will show you the also I will show the output also after running the program. So firstly, I describe all the activities here I use here. After that, I will run the program and will show you. So second activity is a filter data table activity. In filter data table, you will filter the data in the data table according to your condition. So if you have some data, multiple data, so you want to any one particular data, you put the condition in the wizard. So I will show you. So here you need to provide the input data table here, input data table name here, and the output data table. After that, provide the condition here. So I'm filtering data here according to the column name, that is address. If address equal to is this value, then this data was stored in the filter DT. If it doesn't match the criteria, then filter DT is empty. If match the criteria, then uh, copy some data from the input data table to the output data table. So we'll see in the output section. So I hope you understand this filter data table activity. So after that, join data table activities. So what is the use of join data table? So if you have a two data table A and B, and both data table have a some column, a specific column, like in the data table have a two column, and the B data table have a three column. You want to merge all the columns in the one data table, so you can use this activity, join data table activity. So I will show you also. So you can provide the input 1 and input 2 and provide the output variable here, and also declare here the join type. You want to there is a multiple join type, like a inner join, left join, and full join. So you can say if you want to merge all, you want to all the columns, you can use here the full join. If you want to some specific column, then you can according to use your condition. So I'm also provide the column name here. In both data table have a one unique column in the both data table, that is a name. So I provided here. So we will see the output after this. And another data table is a merge data table, that is used to merge two data table. Like you have a data table and a B data table, and in the A data table are 6 rows, like 6 items in the one data table, and the another data table have a some another data, like in that data table have a 5 rows. You want to merge all the data in the one data table, so you can use merge data table. And another data table is a remove duplicate rows. So this activity is used for removing the duplicate row from the data table. So in the data table, I have a 10 record, and in that record, 2 and 3 rows are the duplicate. So you can use this activity and remove that record from the data table. So these are the data table uh, description. I hope you understand the all the data table activities here. So I will run this program and show the output one by one, all the activity. So firstly, I show the sort data table output. Copy these two columns and provide here, paste here, and in the output data table, I provide the sorted data table name. So this data table, sorted data table, comes in this output data table, and after output data use for the all the data convert in the string form, and that is stored in the data, and I'm printing the data variable in the message box. So you can see the output. I run this program, and I also use here the one message box for the message box for the join data table. So you can also see this also output. So this is a sorted data table output. So you can see here according to the date, and this date sorted in the ascending order. 30, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 12. This is the ascending order of data according to the date. After that, this is the output of joined data table. So you can see here. So in the first data table, these five serial number, date, name, address, and amount. These five columns comes in the first data table, and name underscore one and phone number. These are the second data table, and both data table merge here and so in the one data table. So this is the second output. So I hope you I hope you are understand all the things here. If you have any query, please comment your query in the comment section. We will provide the solution. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.